Every skill we learn is a light, and together these lights make you shine brighter. Welcome to Learning Aura, the channel where we turn everyday technical skills into real income. Alright, so you have got a basic idea of what Learning Aura is all about. Now let's start from scratch. Let's be real. Some of us can write a research paper but cannot even shut down the computer properly. So today we are keeping it super simple. We'll cover what you see when your computer turns on, what to click and what to avoid. By the end you will feel like you are in control. When you switch on your computer, the first thing you see is the desktop. Think of it as your digital study table. The icons are your books and notes. Click them to open something. The taskbar at the bottom shows what's open and lets you switch between the apps. The round button on the left is your start menu. You will use it for almost everything, searching, opening programs, or finding the folder that disappeared into thin air. Now listen, this might sound too basic, but it's where most people go wrong. Just don't press the power button like it's a panic switch. Click start, power, and then shut down. This way your files close safely and your system does not crash next time. Everything you save goes into File Explorer. Think of it as your organized cupboard. You will see folders like documents, pictures, and downloads. You can create folders, rename files, or move them around. Now let's personalize your desktop to make it look clean and pretty. Right-click, go to Personalize, change your wallpaper, resize icons, and add shortcuts for your favorite apps. You can even organize icons into folders. It's super satisfying. And you know what? You can change the shape of those icons as well. That's your first step into the world of computers. Simple, useful, and stress-free. In the next video, we'll speed up your PC, clean cache, delete junk, and make it faster than your Wi-Fi on a good day. If you find this video interesting, hit the like, share, and subscribe button and join the Learning Aura community. Thanks for watching.